Hello.
Hi everybody, here we are at Shed Science again. We've cleaned up the radioactive mess from the last explosion. But Tully's got a question that we're trying to answer. What is it?
What's the toughest metal?
What is the toughest metal? Well, the only metal that I could think of that maybe wasn't tough was lead, because we had lead fishing sinkers. Lead is a fairly soft metal, and it also doesn't take that much heat to melt it. I think the melting point of lead is something like 350 degrees. Not that much hotter than the oven on high. A bit hotter, but... So what we've done is we've devised an experiment that we may unveil right now to try and see if we can melt some lead in the shed. Do you want to help unveil the science experiment? Alright guys, what have we done? We have 50 sparklers and a wick, a sparkler hanging out. We have made a little rocket out of the sparklers, so we've wrapped them in foil, wrapped them in duct tape, but left the bottom open so that all that energy that we saw in that other episode, not quite as much, but all the energy can be directed downwards onto some lead sinkers. I wonder, Cully, can you just... Oh yeah, you're right. I wonder if that will produce enough heat to melt them. We're pretty confident it'll be hot enough, but will it be hot enough for long enough? A lot of heat, but not for very long. High power, not that much energy. Let's see. Will these sinkers melt? Here we go. Test number 3. Hopefully this one will work. Out the door, mate. Now just go behind the door. You'll see it perfectly on the video anyway. Will lead melt?
Can I come back and see?
Not yet. It'll happen when it happens. It's about to happen. Right, you can come. Back in, Tully. No, don't come back in yet. Actually, we've got a bit too much.
What? A fire?
We've got a bit too much smoke.
Can I get a fire extinguisher?
No, go out of the shed. I'll get a bit of water on it.
I want to see it.
Look, we melted the top off all of the lead. Every one of the sinkers, the top was melted off. Look at that one. So our rocket produced plenty enough heat to melt it. Probably a bit out of control. A little bit out of control, but other than that, pretty good. See you next time.